Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we have the first of two boxes from Mexico. This is from Nissin Foods, Mexico. These are new products, so let's crack this. The first of two boxes open and see what's inside. Alright, so you might be familiar with Nissin's UFO line of yakisoba from Japan. Well, I've also reviewed varieties that have come from Singapore, Indonesia, and now in Mexico. This is a spicy shrimp yakisoba, and they sent me 12 of them. What else did they send? This is the new Nissin Cup Noodles Dark Dragon. Let's check these a little closer individually. Yeah, check that out. Sabor salsa negra y limon. So it's black lemon? Spicy black lemon? I don't know. It sounds pretty vicious, and I believe this is part of their Intensos line. There's a little pepper meter, and it looks like it's medium? I don't know. The packaging looks really mean, so I will have to give this a try, do a mukbang very soon on this one. So yeah. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Nissin Foods Mexico for sending this over. I will do the next unboxing tomorrow. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.